I already look at this.
Enable contact.
Space Needle. Oh my god.
Roger, contact ground point 99.
Boeing Cabinanza 399 Tango Alpha on the Green Lake arrival overhead, UW.
Bonanza 399 Tango Alpha Boeing Tower, roger, continuing bound on the Green Lake arrival, report the Mount Baker Tunnel, where are you picking up?
Report the tunnel,
And actually, the day before, we went visiting the Space Needle inside and on top, and then many places in the ground there around it. The Museum of Pop Art and other places in downtown Seattle, the Ferris wheel, we went later, and that was an amazing day. Now, we had to see those things from above, from this point of view, which is amazing, and I love that. I love, every time I go to Seattle, I always try to go around the Space Needle.
¿Te gusta? Me encanta.
Barons, for the parallel runway. Orbiting around the Space Needle as well, 1,500 indicated. This is 74 Golf Boeing Tower, runway 32 left, cleared to land, wind 3506.
Boeing Cabinanza 9 Tango Alpha, Mount Baker Tunnel.
This is 9 Tango Alpha, roger, runway 32 right, number 2, following Cessna, mile final, clear to land, wind 3506.
32 right, clear to land, 9 Tango Alpha, number 2.
Air 96 Lima, turn right off at 9 contact ground point 9.
Straight out, get able.
November 733, Victor Hotel, Blake Park is approved, runway 32 left at Bravo 10, clear for takeoff, traffic 5 mile final Cessna. November 12 Echo, say your request again.
I would like to park at the museum, sim 34 right, 34 left, 32 left default.
November 12 Echo, roger, go ahead and fly towards Mel Baker Tunnel, fly to modified Green Lake arrival for runway 32 left at this time. Report midfield right downwind.
Okay, 32 left, Green Lake arrival, 1 to go.
I sometimes confuse 3-2 left with 3-4 left, which is the runway in Boeing Field. Listening and watching my own videos doing stuff, I realize what are the things that I need to pay more attention next time.
Hola, 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 ahora sí.
System 5 Mike, breakthrough enable, contact ground point 9. System 74 Golf, if you'd like long landing is approved. Okay, approved.
Mount Rainier.